News out of Jefferson City at 4. Just a few hours ago, the Missouri Supreme Court ruled that Amendment 3 will remain on the November ballot. Good afternoon, I'm Kay Quinn. Amendment 3 would restore abortion rights in Missouri. The court's decision comes just hours before the state finalizes the November ballot. 5 on Your Side's Holden Kerwicki has been following the case. He joins us now in the newsroom with the latest. Holden?
Well, Kay, many of the legal experts that I spoke with were actually shocked to hear the Missouri Supreme Court, which is made up of 5 Republicans and 2 Democrats, allowed Amendment 3 to move forward by a majority decision, which could send political shockwaves across the state. The decision reverses a ruling by a lower court judge who said the petitioners who wrote Amendment 3 were too vague about what laws would be impacted. Today's ruling says Secretary of State John Ashcroft must put Amendment 3, also known as the Right to Reproductive Freedom Initiative, on the November ballot. Missouri banned most abortions immediately after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in 2022. Amendment 3 would restore those rights and provide constitutional protection for abortion throughout Missouri. SLU law professor Anders Walker broke down exactly what today's ruling means for voters.
Well, it looks like the amendment will allow abortion up until viability, which is when the child can live independently of the mother. That is going back to Roe versus Wade.
Following the decision, multiple elected officials in the St. Louis area, including Rasheen Aldridge and County Executive Sam Page, praised the justice's decision, stating the case was an attempt to silence voters in the Show Me State. I'll have more on the fallout from today's decision coming up at 5 and 6.